Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to sum filtered rows in Google Sheets. Let's begin. First of all, create a filter, data tab, create a filter. Then step 1, use example sum already copied to this formula. Use write sum or subtotal. Then see on C8. Press enter and work filter. Click OK. That's it. And step 2, filter rows. Click to the cells, press Ctrl V. Sorry. Subtotal C1 and D2. Sorry, C2. Press enter. Autofill. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.